Hi, I'm Marc Sanderson. I have the privilege and the honor of being CEO of INNERGY. I love having that title. I love being part of this organization. I love serving. And for me, CEO stands for Chief Environmental Officer, where it's my job to create the right environment for our employees to be successful. I'm going to go all the way back to 1997. And so I'm coming out of grad school. I found this angel investor that's willing to take a risk on me. And we bought this company called Ron's Cabinets. Honestly, our thesis was this business isn't about the sawdust. It's about the ones and zeros. It's about everything that happens prior to the sawdust. And if we do that right, the sawdust part will be easy. And so that moment of genesis, or that thesis that we had, caused us to start writing software, because we couldn't find it anywhere else. And so what we had to do is, how do we think about modernizing and putting information technology into the woodworking business? But here's the cool thing about writing software over the last 25 years. We ran into every single problem in the woodworking business, and we fixed it. Now, it wasn't in a modern architecture, it wasn't in modern tools, it wasn't in technology that was scalable by any stretch of the imagination. We would benchmark and open our shop up for other organizations. And so people would come in and say, wow, I didn't know this type of tech could exist. I didn't know that you had this type of process discipline using computers. That was the moment in time we said, how about we take a risk? Let's actually look at what's going on in the industry and see if this product would actually have life on the market. That was the impetus of INNERGY. When I think about our mission, it's raving fans. And maybe the subtext to that raving fan objective is we want to change this industry and we want to raise all the boats. And I think by coming together and creating the nexus that we're creating, the community that we're creating of all these woodworkers, and providing technology that hasn't been available to anybody historically in a difficult industry, we have a sweetheart of a niche that we can serve. And in that service, we can elevate everybody. That's what gets me excited about the woodworking industry.